Hello! How are you guys? Finally, some good news. Today, back into the Reno journey. So today is carpentry installation. So usually carpentry will take about, I would say, 10 days, including installation and uploading of the material itself. Normally what they do is the upload of the material will come in the morning. Definitely it will take about 4 or 5 hours, depending on the scale of the unit. Okay. So after they upload everything, every carpentry units are designated according to all the rooms. They are placed nicely into individual rooms in order not to be mixed up. So each of the doors, the drawers, are all labeled A1, A2, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, depending on individual carpenters. Okay? Also to take note, very importantly, during this carpentry loading, always get your guys to measure the lift entrance. Many times, I've seen many cases where they fabricated a unit, but it couldn't enter the lift, and they have to really dismantle and find ways to bring it up. Okay, it will be a waste to actually dismantle, come out, and get it all done here all over again. So this is a waste of time, waste of manpower, which we try to avoid. So another thing today, maybe since the carpentry here is really more or less half installed, go and view the before this video installation during the period. So maybe I want to touch on a bit on this pelmet. Okay. Look at this, the top, the lines, the black lines. Okay. So during this period of time, many people always like to ask, hey, why my carpentry is not straight? Why is there gaps? Why are there gaps like this? No, when the whole thing is done, will I still see that? The answer is no. Okay? Answer is no. Because all carpentries, the wood are actually in straight form. There's no way your wood is crooked. It's always the wall, the ceiling, or the floor. These are the area where it's uneven. That's where the pelmet, or we call in Chinese, so-called. So this is always the last to do up. So not to worry during the installation that you see gaps like that. This thing will not happen after that. Okay? This thing is always nicely done up. So that's the reason why there's always a 50 to 100 mm allowance. This is actually easy for the carpentry to finish off the finishing. So-called, okay, in Chinese so-called. Same goes for your floor, wall cabinet, all of this. There's always a gap, okay? This is because we are going to install the top final finishing soon. If not, it's actually like this. Look. Okay? It's actually like this. So adding on the little pelmet or so-called, this is the finish of the final finishing. It's going to seal up with your laminate, your ply, everything. So wait for the finished product and you'll see that the black lines are gone. Right? So these are all very common questions that actually owners will ask. So not to worry, to everyone, it's normal. Okay? Right now it's already in the midst of installation. So not to worry. Always allow the guys to complete their work before you check on the final product quality. Okay? Because now in the meantime, a lot of things like the pelmet finishing, drawer uneven, the door uneven is because this is not a period of time to adjust yet. The adjustment is always right to the final stage where there's no longer movement, nobody is going to touch the cabinet, the drawers anymore. That's where they align the whole thing nicely. Okay? All this can be aligned at the final stage. So to all clients, not everybody out there, not to worry on this. This is actually a very common thing that you are seeing during renovation. Okay? Well, I'm not going to talk too much on this anymore. Hopefully, I'll come up with something else, another topic. Usually, most people would like to know. Okay, follow my Reno journey.